Oh, this is day one at the beach, right?
Yeah.
How do you like it, Sophia?
I like to put it in the sand and feel the ocean water
Huh?
and everything.
Yeah, turn around so we can see the water. Look, isn't that beautiful? See, there's Philip back there somewhere.
Yeah.
In the water there, somewhere. I can't see. There.
Philip's in the water with Mama.
Yeah. You want to go in the water too?
Yeah.
Here's a little fun fact. We ordered some food at the local Texadelphia. That's like a burger place, and we thought it's had a great idea to get it delivered. So here's a comprehensive review for DoorDash. If you ever want to order your food online and use DoorDash.com, there's a high chance that you remain hungry. And then there's also a high chance that you end up like me, driving your vehicle to the place, picking up yourself. I'm currently driving on the Seawall Drive in Galveston, and it's a 15-minute drive from our condo to the restaurant, and then I have to drive 15 minutes back.